Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Oscar Health app to view plan benefits. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iOS, tap on the App Store icon. For Android, tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type Oscar Health. Press the search button or hit enter. Look for the Oscar Health app in the search results. Check the app's logo for easy identification. Tap on the app to view its details. Read the app description and reviews if you wish. To download, tap the Get button for iOS. For Android, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, locate the Oscar Health app on your home screen. Tap to open the app. If prompted, allow necessary permissions for the app to function properly. You will now see the login screen. Enter your username and password to sign in. If you don't have an account, tap on Sign Up to create one. Follow the instructions to complete your account setup. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Plan Benefits. Tap on it to view your health plan details. Explore the available features for managing your health benefits. Now you're ready to use the Oscar Health app efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.